Here is my son's speedball punching bag we bought from Walmart for $25. The bag immediately popped within the first day, so we bought another bag, like a real speedball bag, but this stand was too flimsy because it's made out of plastic, and it goes on a door. So I decided I needed to build him a new one. This is a piece of scrap plywood that I have. I wanted to make it 24 inches in diameter for the curved part, but this is only 21 inches. I drew a couple lines in the front to find center, and I driven a nail into the center so that I could tie a string onto it, and then use that to do a radius of 10.5 inches to make the 21 inch curved front end of this. Now I'm gonna jigsaw out this radius and then sand it down to the line. So now I'm going to be gluing 3 of these boards together to make a real nice thick board for the speedball to attach to. That way it'll absorb a lot of the impact of the ball bag hitting it and the punches. I'm going to be using some Titebond 3. Hopefully that's enough weight. And then for extra strength, I screwed the boards together, first drilling a pilot hole and then running a screw through 3 of the boards. To line up all the edges, I used a flush trim bit on my router. I put a roundover on the top and bottom. I'm going to be gluing a board onto the back of this to help attach it to the wall. I'm going to use these large shelf brackets to attach it to the wall, and I had drilled some pilot holes on the drill press. I'm going to drill some pilot holes and then attach the swivel with some screws. It came with some bolts, but they're not long enough to go through the platform board that I made. I think that'll work pretty well. You'll be able to bounce when you hit it, come back the way it's supposed to. I'm going to put a light coat of paste wax over this. Here it is all finished. It works great and the kids love it. Thanks for watching.